Hey, you guys, welcome back to Ella's World.
I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's just like you.
Okay, you guys, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Another day, another video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and try to start this laundry today. I'm gonna tell you a lie, I am super freaking sleepy, but I want to get the laundry done today and not tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. And y'all already know my plans is to work my little side gig. Okay. So today we're going to be doing my laundry and maybe I'm cleaning up. I don't know. I really don't feel like doing laundry, but I don't want to overwhelm myself tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and do laundry today. So let's separate the laundry and let's get with it. Okay. So come on and do laundry with me. Come on. Okay, you guys, I have my clothes separated. Of course, I always have more color than whites. And my husband always have more clothes than me. Don't ask me why. But this is the norm, okay? So I think I may have only 2 loads. Maybe, because this is good. Like, actually, this is really good. Because normally, it's somewhat, I have like maybe 3 loads sometimes, but today it looks like only 2 loads, which is a great thing. So let's go do the laundry. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that no one is in there. So I can get a washer and a dryer so I can get it done. After I do that, we're going to come back and we're going to wash up the little bit of dishes that I have in there from this morning when I made my husband's breakfast. So let's go do that. And yeah, so let's go up here. When I tell you, that cat is working my nerves. That cat literally jumped over my fucking head in the damn laundry room, y'all, into this little hole up there. I cannot wait. Lord, please. I can't wait till we move, y'all, because this right here is crazy. I could go to the laundromat, but I don't be feeling like I be wanting to come home and sit down. Okay? And I don't have that many. I only had 2 loads, so. I'm so tired. I don't feel like doing nothing. I don't have the energy for anything at all. I just want to lay down and go sleep. I just want to nap. But I'm going to wash up these dishes and probably vacuum the floor. I need to wipe my cabinets and stuff down, but I don't feel like it. And all this stuff over here in this corner, I'm going to show y'all. All this stuff over here, I need to clean up. Like, all of this shit, all of this mail, and all of this stuff, it got to go, y'all. But I ain't got the energy today. Maybe I can get to it tomorrow after I work a little bit, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Depending on how I feel, y'all. Because at this point in time, I don't even feel like doing what I'm about to do. But I don't want to do it all tomorrow because I don't want to cramp everything in and then I'll be tired and and then I don't feel like, you know how you just trying to do too much in one day. That's what I'm trying to eliminate. I don't want to have to do too much in one day. That's what I'm trying to do. Because I be trying to cram everything in on my day off, and it's like, no, you can't be overworking yourself on your day off. Okay, you're already doing shit you shouldn't be doing. You should be sitting down chilling, but it's okay. It's okay. You just got to prioritize and do time management, okay? Eliminate something today so you won't have to do it tomorrow. All right, so let's go do these dishes. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's do the dishes. Okay, you guys, I am all done with laundry. I did take a little pause, y'all, because I took a pause and went to Chick-fil-A and got me some Chick-fil-A. So I've been sitting for about 2.5 hours, and then I just finished folding my laundry. So yeah, y'all, my camera's about to die. I'm on 18%. I need to get me another battery for this camera, for real. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope to see you guys in the next one, y'all. The next one is definitely going to be a spring cleaning video, because I really need to. That kitchen is the first thing I'm heading for. The kitchen. It's going to be the first thing. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully the next video will be. I know Sunday. I'm probably. I don't know. Sunday night, I have to take some stuff out of this bathroom because they're going to do our tub on Monday. So I got to take a lot of stuff out of the bathroom. So I'm going to probably bring y'all along with that. And I'm also going to get me some new stuff for my bathroom. So the stuff that I'm taking down, I'm not putting back up. I'm getting a new shower curtain. I'm going to use that shower curtain liner that I bought that he never used for upstairs in that little apartment they wanted us to shower and wash in. I bought a shower curtain that was never opened. So I'm going to use that liner, but I'm going to find me another shower curtain. I'm going to get me some new bathroom rugs. I'm going to change the color up in there as soon as they're done with that. So everything that I'm taking out, I'm not putting back in. What else? And I'm just slowly trying to work on the little things at a time, y'all, because listen, Linda, your girl be tired, but I got to get it done because, yeah. And I need some new rugs. You see these rugs right here? I got one runner on this side, just like on the other side of my husband's side. And I need to get these rugs out of here. Like, I want to brighten this room up. I don't want too much dark colors. Like, my chair is already dark. It's a brown, and I'm not getting rid of my chair. But I need to brighten up a little bit. So, one thing at a time, you guys. One room at a time. That's what you do. One room at a time. But anywho, if you guys have any suggestions for me, what color I should put, what color rug I should get. I did show y'all my comforter set. If you go back a few vlogs, you'll see the type of comforter that I bought. So y'all can go back and check that out. But y'all let me know what color you think I should put with it's like a beige color. The comforter set, excuse me, I think it's like a beige color. You know, I'm probably colorblind girl, but anyway, drop it down in the comments and let me know what color you think I should do my bathroom. What color rugs you think I should get in my room. Let me know. I'm trying to keep this fucking apartment looking kind of cute. Okay. See y'all on the next one. Bye.